repeated multiplication of same number, it is very common. So, we will be multiplying 5 and 5 and multiplying thrice, that is 5 into 5 into 5, that is common. But when a number is multiplied, for instance, a number say a, if it is multiplied m number of times, then it can be shown as a to the power of m. If the same number say a is multiplied n number of times, that is a into a as m factors, then it can be shown as a to the power of n, that has the exponential notation of the index form. So, here in that, I mean, a power m, the bottom one, the base which is to be, so bottom one, the number which is to be repeated will be called as the base, and the number of times the base is repeated will be called as the index, which is written at the top right side. So, now generally repeated multiplication of or repeated multiplication by a same number is very common for us. We have seen a repeated multiplication of the same number a number of times, but when a number, for instance, let us take the number as a. So, here if this a is repeatedly multiplied, n number of times, then it can be shown or it can be expressed. It can be shown or it can be expressed as, since a is repeated, since this a is repeated n number of times, so it can be shown as a to the power of n, which is the exponential notation. Exponential notation, or in other words, it can also be expressed as index form. So, here it can be written as, it can be read as the exponential notation, or in other words it can be read as the index form. So, here a power n, in a power n the bottom one will is a. So, here a will be repeated n number of times. So, here the number which is repeating is a will be called as the base. Then the n, so here n number of times this a is repeated, that is base is repeatedly multiplied n number of times. So, n will be called as the index or the exponent. So, here this notation, this form a power n is nothing but the exponential notation, or in other words called as the index form. So, now for instance, in the first case I am going to consider 5 multiplied thrice. Here thrice indicates 3 times. Here thrice mean 3 times. That means, so here 5 must be repeatedly multiplied 3 number of times, that is thrice. So, here overall that implies 5 must be multiplied. So, 5 into 5 into 5. So, 5 is multiplied 3 number of times, that is 1, 2 and 3. Then now this is can also be written as, since 5 is repeated, so here 5 to the power of, so here 3 number of times, so here to the power of 3. So here 5 to the power of 3, or in other words 5 raised to the power of 3. This is the exponential notation, whereas this is the expanded form. So here 5 into 5 into 5 is the expanded form of 5 multiplied thrice, and similarly, so here 5 cube, that is 5 to the power of 3, is the index form, or in other words exponential notation. So in this manner, 5 multiplied thrice is written as 5 into 5 into 5. We have expanded it, so it will be called as the expanded form. Then when we write it as the exponential notation or the index form, it can be written as, since 5 is repeated, we have to write the base as 5, then later, so number of times the 5 is repeated is of 3, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, it can be written as the index at the top right of that number. So that is 5 to the power of 3 is the index form. So similarly, when in the second case, in the case number 2, multiplied n times or as m factors. So here that implies, so a is multiplied, repeatedly multiplied n number of times. So here it can be written as a into a. So it is multiplied n number of times. So here n times, or as n factors, times or n factors. So here, so that implies, as the exponential notation, since a is repeatedly multiplied, base as a, since it is repeated n factors or n number of times, so here the exponent will be of n, or the index will be of n. It is read as a to the power of n, or in other words a raised to the power of n. Whereas in this, a into a dash up to n times is nothing but the exponential expanded form, whereas a to the power of n is nothing but the index form, or in other words exponential notation. Now let us consider one more case, that is the third case. In 5 to the power of 3, so here the bottom one, so here the 5 is repeated 3 number of times. So here repeated number, so here repeated number is equals to 5, because 5 will be repeatedly multiplied 3 times. So here the repeated number is of 3, 5, therefore the repeated number 5 will be called as the base. So here number of times the base is multiplied, so here number of times the base is now 5. So here base is multiplied 3 number of times. So 5 is multiplied 3 number of times, 1, 2 and 3. So here 3 number of times. So here 3 will be called as the index, or in other words the exponent. Finally, in a power m, the base will be of a, because it is repeatedly multiplied, and the exponent or the index will be of m, because A is repeatedly multiplied m number of times. Repeatedly multiplying factor will be called as the base, and the number of times the base which is multiplied will be called as the index, or in other words called the exponent. Then now let us perform. In order to find out the value of an index form, so here to find the value of an index form, first one, five to the power of 3. The second one, minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 3. Then the third one, as minus 3 by 7 whole to the power of 4 overall divided by minus 3 by 7 overall divided by 3. So now let us find out the solutions for all these three cases. Now solution for the first one, I have to find out the value of 5 cube. So this is the exponential notation or the index form. So first of all I have to write as the expanded form. So here 5 must be repeated thrice. So 5 into 5 into 5. So in which, so here in 5 cube, so here base is of 5 and the exponent, because 5 is repeatedly multiplied, the repeatedly multiplying factor will be called as the base, and the exponent, or in other words will be called as the index. The number of times the base is repeated. So here in this case I say 5 cube, 5 is repeatedly multiplied thrice or the 3 times. So here 3 will be called as the exponent, or in other words called the index. So that is equals to 5 5 is of 25. Then now multiplied with this 5 as it is. So first of all, so I have multiplied these two factors, that 5 into 5 is of 25 and 5 kept as it is. Then that is equals to 25 into 5 is of 125. Therefore the value of 5 cube is equals to 125. Then now let us go for the second case, that is we have to find out the value of minus half whole cube. So in this case, in minus half whole cube, base is of, because in the expanded form minus 1 by 2 whole cube, when it is multiplied thrice, so its expanded form will be, so here the base is of minus 1 by 2, it must be multiplied 3 times, that is minus half into minus half into minus half. So repeatedly multiplying factor is of minus 1 by 2, therefore the base is of minus 1 by 2. So here the 3 number of times it is multiplied, so therefore the exponent will be of 3. So its value now, so equals to, by multiplying the first two factors, or as minus of minus is of plus, then plus into minus is of minus now. So minus of minus is of plus and plus into minus is of minus. Then now multiplying numerators, as it is 1 into 1 is of 1 and into 1 is of 1 in the numerator, divided by denominators multiplication, 2 into 2 is of 4, and that result 4 must be multiplied with 2, 4 2s is of 8. So here therefore value of minus 1 by 2 whole cube is equals to minus 1 by 8. Then now let us find out the value of minus 3 by 7 whole power 4 divided by minus 3 by 7 whole power 3.